$300, maybe 400. Huh. I don't know. So this is me and John riding to the woods. This is the entrance of the woods. Oh, are we gonna go to the right or the left? Or the front? Okay. My parents always wanted to know where we go, so I'm gonna record this. Dude, they're not gonna go here, okay?
No, because then they know where we're going.
They already know anyway. And I showed them on the Google Maps. Yes.
I don't want to tell my parents.
I could like attach this to my bike maybe, and then like ride it. Сейчас я иду обратно к своему велику, потому что я забыл, я забыл где, то есть я забыл свой кулек, своей штуковиной, чтобы накрыть нашу игровую штуковину. Сюда, палки. Приехали. Вот он. Oh wait, turn on the light.
Turn on the light?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh yeah, the lantern that I have is like waterproof.
Oh,
it's like
even better.
It's like tight, and it can't.
So this is the 3DS XL Super Smash Bros. Edition. That's how it looks like in the front.
You want the back?
Yeah, sure.
This is the back there.
And the back is just like nothing.
That's the best part.
Yeah. And that's the game. It kind of looks really cool, especially the graphics. It's better than
this control pad.
Yeah. Oh wait, do you have the stylus? Yeah.
Yeah, the stylus.
Yeah, you don't have to take. The stylus is like a stick that lets you use the screen without like putting fingerprints on it.
I'm just gonna enter
and
battle.
Yeah, this is like a really cool looking kind of game, and yeah.
Trying to find a wild Pokemon.
He's like getting into a battle, and then yeah.